serves hardest. And sustainability is a key KPI for each one of us working in Nagaur. Two things which you have to keep in mind since you have decided that this is the industry which you have selected. Two things which is very, very vital. One is technology and the second thing is sustainability.
Sustainability we talk about and we hear. So sustainability is all about how we are sustaining on the earth, right? So what are other parameters are required to have a long sustained and eco-friendly atmosphere is what is all about.